All right, I'm at the very back of the property right now. And the lot is just what you see right in front. You can see the line there. And this wall to my right is the Hermosa Hotel. So I'm gonna walk up to the front of the lot. It's currently February, which is our summer here in Costa Rica. We don't get much rain until mid-April when the rains return, turn everything green again. So every day this time of year is pretty much blue skies, sunny days. The rain season, you typically get sun all day long, except for the late afternoon when it rains a couple of hours. So coming to the end of the lot, and I'm going to do a 360. Again, there's the lot behind me. This line here is the border, the line in the back, and then this wall on the right. Now, I'm gonna walk across the road. The ocean, and I'm going to do another 360.